Fire, one of the oldest instruments available to mankind, and most of the more interesting inventions are based on it. Hello, my dear friends! In today's video we'll make such a artistic instrument, a pyrography tool, and on the tool side we will need nippers, a marking pencil, pliers or a similar tool, small file, 2mm drill bit, and of course a glue gun, and materials, classic duct tape, a couple of terminals, copper wire 2mm wide, and a power input, borrowed from our Dyson fan, and a needle to make the tip. For the body, we've prepared this wooden blank, using the sizes of the parts we are going to use, but I'm sure you can do better. Also wires and a power supply. We will discuss the needed power and stuff down the line. Now let's put all the marks. First, where should the power input go? It should not get in the way, but also should still look good. Next, mark where the base of the needle should go, and the wires separately. Then 2 grooves for the wires on the sides. Now begin the cutting process. By the way, really don't want to sound insincere, but thank you for being around and generally being good lads. We appreciate ya. You know, pyrography as an art is dated 700 years BC, and even now some artists use the ancient techniques in their craft. A fine example is Jordan Mang Osen. Well, the frame is now ready, now let's make the tip. It should be very thin in the middle, but not too thin so to break instantly. It's pretty important for low-voltage pyrography tools. Now fix the wires and give them a form similar to a Jacob's ladder. We are almost done. Now fixate the power input. Then carefully but firmly place the needle in the terminals. Some professional grade tools use this type of system for versatility's sake, and if the needle breaks, we can always get a new one. And now the tricky part, the power supplies. We've tried out a few of them, including this one having 8.5 amps, it did not fit our narrative. All the others, including the one from the Dyson, also did not work. This one did work, but then overheated and said bye-bye, so monitor your power supply and everything should be fine. The last one shown had the best results, regardless of the low amperage. Well, plug it in and test it out. Watch the tip, it should glow red hot. If it doesn't, try and file it down more until it goes red. But seriously, let's test it out. So guys, now we have such a nice pyrography tool. Heats up very fast, rests in the hands very nicely, and burns good too. Well, there's a lot of interesting stuff on the rise for us. More electronics, maybe we'll try some Arduino and 3D printing. A lot of grounds to cover, so to say. Thank you everybody for your attention, stay safe, and see you in the next one.